Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a Musa basjoo update today, and I always manage to be a couple of days out on these videos because we had some strong winds the other day and these leaves were looking beautiful, but the wind again, lovely sunny North Devon, has ripped them to shreds and they're looking quite tatty. A little snail on there, but for the 12th of I nearly said February then, that's not right. For the 12th of March, I think we're doing incredibly well. Everything's pushing out new growth. This is nice and firm. No squishiness of the pseudo stem. We've started to get, I'm trying to get my nail in it, a new pup shooting up from the ground. That's the first new one I've seen this year. Oh, actually, I don't know if you can see that little one at the back. I've started to push out. Yeah, most of the pups are pushing up new growth. Like I said, these bits are looking a bit tatty from all the rain we've had over the last couple of weeks. We've had an awful lot of rain. But even down to these little tiny pups, they're all pushing up new growth, so I'm really happy with them. And we've got a lot of nice warm weather in the forecast, so hopefully these babies will shoot into action soon. So thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel because it really helps, and leave a banana emoji in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.